Ahoy ahoy and welcome to just a quick review and look at the latest Audi A6. This vehicle has been unveiled a year after the flagship model A8 and it carries many features from its bigger brother, including the familiar design from the interior as well as the exterior. The main features are of course the new LED taillamps and the new badging. 50D now means a 3-liter V6. Trunk space has remained very similar in size, and of course if you want more you can get the Avant or the Touring version equivalent from the 5 Series or E-Class. New rims and new driver assistance technology. Overall, the technology has moved a giant leap forward. You get the Audi Virtual Cockpit Assistant as standard. The difference between A6 and A8 is most apparent in the air vents. They don't fold in as they do in the A8. However, the haptic feedback and the glass panel and the screens are completely the same. They've got the same functionality, the same very nice smooth interface, and of course support the gestures like writing on the screen, or you can turn it off and on to have the unique design. Blending gear selector is now automatic. Headlights have also the haptic feedback on them. Just so overall very nice refreshed design, which is also shown on the seats, which have Volcano leather and electrical adjustment or massaging feature as you may wish. That's all from me now. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you see you next time. Until then, goodbye, ciao ciao.